The World Health Organization said that the most common cause of death in the world is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which includes conditions like asthma and chronic bronchitis. This disease usually affects people who didn't take care of their lungs during their young age. There are many herbs that can be used in both cooking and medicinal purposes to promote lung health. Depending on the type of herb you want to use for your lungs is dependent on the underlying cause of your lung issues. For example, if you have COPD or asthma, these herbs might be more beneficial than if you just want a daily preventative measure against coughs and colds. Here are 7 herbs that will be good for lungs health. Thyme will help to reduce any inflammation in the lungs, as well as increasing bile to help detoxify the lungs. It can also be used as an expectorant or sudorific to help with mucus buildup and aiding in the healing process. Thyme can help to clear up a cough, but it is not good for those with a fever who are not sweating, because thyme will actually cause dehydration. Garlic is another good herb for your lungs due to its antibiotic, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. This herb will help clear up a cough, heal bronchitis and other lung infections, and can also increase lung capacity by opening up breathing passages. When you are fighting off an infection or a cold, you can use garlic to help fight the infection, and also as a preventative measure to stop it from spreading. Oregano has excellent cleansing properties, is good for combating germs, bacteria and viruses, so can be used as an antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. This herb will help clear mucus from your system and will also cure bronchitis when used in the correct dosage for that ailment. It is best used in cooking if you want to take advantage of its antibacterial properties, as opposed to using it for medicinal purposes. Ginger is one of the best herbs for your lungs. It has excellent anti-inflammatory properties which are beneficial in clearing up a cough and is also good to help with bronchitis. Ginger is also thought to aid in circulation, so will help improve your lung capacity. If you are using ginger for medicinal purposes, you want to make sure that the source of the ginger is a reputable one, as not all ginger will have the same properties. Cinnamon bark is a spice which can be used as an expectorant and antiseptic for your lungs. It will help clear up mucus from your lungs and throat, so will benefit those who suffer from COPD or asthma. It can also be used to help relieve cold symptoms, such as a sore throat, cough, and congestion. Galangal root is taken from the ginger family and is an excellent expectorant for your lungs. This herb will help clear mucus from your lungs and will also be helpful in relieving coughs, colds, and congestion. Bay leaves are great for breathing issues and other lung problems including bronchitis, lung inflammation, respiratory infections, and chest congestion. Bay leaves contain antioxidants, which are beneficial in fighting off viral, bacterial, fungal infections, as well as regulating blood pressure, thus reducing stress on the body, which can cause further respiratory issues. With all these herbs, we hope you are going to start taking care of your lungs. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.